DevWeb, Microprocessor's latest cutting-edge tool for web protocol performance and load testing. DevWeb uses a new innovative JavaScript SDK and engine that focus on HTTP transport level. DevWeb is lightweight and scalable and cross-platform. DevWeb was designed with a developer mindset to provide you the maximum flexibility. It can be used on any platform, either Windows, Linux or macOS, and across on any IDE, enabling you to script and execute load tests as part of your continuous testing process. You can create a script using a variety of IDEs and tools. Microprocessor virtual user generator like VuGen, Visual Studio Code, Atom.io, JetBrains WebStorm, IntelliJ, and many more. Then you run your script using the standalone DevWeb installation, which can be up and running in minutes. Alternatively, you can use one of Microprocessor's LoadRunner products family, LoadRunner Pro or LoadRunner Enterprise and LoadRunner Cloud.